When you look up at the night sky, what's the biggest thing you see? That's right, the moon. Did you know that even though the moon looks like it's the biggest thing in the sky, it really isn't? All those little stars are actually really big, bigger than our moon, even bigger than our planet. How can that be, you might ask? Well, the moon just looks like it's the biggest because it's a lot closer to us than all those stars. Let's look at an example of how being closer to something makes it look bigger. Look at how big I look compared to that tree. That's because I'm a lot closer to the camera than the tree is. Now that I'm the same distance away from the camera as the tree is, you can see that I'm actually a lot smaller than the tree. Did you know that our moon is not the only moon in the solar system? A moon is a natural satellite that revolves around a planet. Other planets in our solar system have moons too. That's a lot of moons, but we're going to spend our time studying our moon, the Earth's moon. Now, another important thing to know about the moon is that it does not produce its own light. It actually reflects the sun's light. Let's pretend this ball is the moon and this flashlight's the sun. The moon doesn't make any of its own light, but the sun does. In the nighttime, we normally wouldn't be able to see the moon because it doesn't make any of its own light, but we do see it because it reflects the sun's light. These are just a few facts about the moon, but what we will be spending most of our time studying is the moon's phases, or lunar phases. Looking at the moon, you have probably noticed it does not always look the same. These changes are called the phases of the moon, and we will be studying them over the next few days. We are going to learn the names of each phase of the moon, how long it takes the moon to get through all these phases, and why the moon has phases in the first place. Sound cool? Let's go learn more about the moon.